Na yomono Rw'Eserekari Mheshimiwa MWAURA yakoboteka kira hiki kubwatekana no bakora Rw'Eserekari ya Kenya kwanza litkoria rero nigo aereiro botumeki bw'echibesa chia EUROBOND na goteba bune serikali ya Kenya nigo yanyorire $2 bilioni 2.25 icho chigenderete gokinia hobonchereri ENSE ya Kenya kuri mwaka bw'echiri bubere na 14 chinga kecho MWAURA boigo niga atebire kubwatekana n'egetambukiro kyo murai bw'ense kobeka hesegi yokurwania amarioga ari atancheiri ENSE nigo bono ekomiti eri korigereria hengane iyo yabekire omukia omonene asegwika bona amariogo yogotindia ayuare ebirengo byechi billion 5.3 nigabwatirwe.
Bond attracted strong demand for high quality international investors with orders exceeding the amount offered. The positive reception follows Moody's upgrade of Kenya's sovereign credit rating and revision of the outlook to stable. The upgrade reflects reduced default risks, stronger foreign exchange reserves, and a narrowing current account deficit. Simply put, global markets are recognizing that Kenya's economic reforms are working, evidence that the difficult but necessary reforms undertaken by this administration are yielding tangible results. So those people who are saying that this government is not doing well when it comes to the economy, there is evidence with the fact that our demand for resources has not been without any form of undersubscription. In fact, because of this amount of money since 2014, we've never had such a successful, Eurobond. That was the biggest since 2014. That means now we are able to deal with some of the debts. We are able to refinance and even partly pay what it was due in 2028 and also 2032. Coordinated enforcement operations have led to interception and destruction of illicit drugs valued at Kenya shillings 8.2 billion, disrupting international trafficking corridors and reinforcing national security. The anti-narcotic unit has been expanded to 700 specialized officers, while enhanced forensic and field capabilities, including advanced drug testing kits secured through international collaboration, have strengthened evidentiary standards and operational precision. The government has shut down illegal online distribution channels, launched a nationwide crackdown on unlicensed pharmaceutical outlets, and initiated reforms towards establishment of dedicated drug courts to fast-track prosecution of high-level traffickers and offenders.